letters A to Z, with healthy foods for you and me. Fruits and veggies, grains so neat, dairy proteins fun to eat. A is for apple, crispy and sweet, keeps us strong and light on our feet. B is for broccoli, a healthy treat, full of vitamins, helps us compete. C is for carrot, orange and bright, good for our eyes, gives us clear sight. D is for dates, chewy and light, natural energy fuels us just right. E is for eggplant, purple delight, great for the heart, a veggie so bright. F is for figs, packed with cheer, rich in fiber, brings good gear. J is for grapes, juicy and clear, sweet and fresh like nature's cheer. H is for honey, golden and slow, gives us energy, makes us glow. I is for ice milk, frozen to go, a cool treat, it's fun, you know. J is for jaggery, sweet and just right, full of minerals, pure and bright. K is for kiwi, tangy and bright, boost our health, gives us might. L is for lentils, full of might, packed with protein, keeps us tight. M is for milk, keeps bones so strong, helps us grow and last so long. N is for nuts, lunch whole day long, brain boosting power, keeps us strong. O is for oats, energy packed, keeps us running, never slacked. P is for peppers, red, green and gold, full of vitamin C so bold. Q is for quinoa, warm or cold, a grain so strong like warriors of old. R is for radish, crunchy and light, good for the tummy, fresh and light. S is for spinach, packed with might, iron so strong, gives us flight. T is for tofu, soft and white, full of protein, pure delight. U is for ube, purple and sweet, a tasty treat, a fun to eat. V is for veggies, good to eat, keeps us happy, full of heat. W for watermelon, juicy and cool, hydrates our body, nature's fool. X is for cyclone, melon-shaped jewel, a summer snack, a tasty fuel. Y is for yogurt, creamy and fun, helps digestion, good for everyone. Z is for zucchini, healthy for all, light and fresh, a veggie call.